Ghana has say obisa mebunu bia trese wonim WhatsApp yaka so bi nim WhatsApp I hope so what ase obisa youth bia trese wonim WhatsApp eba internet nsensem no wonim website na nyama there's one site bia eya na enyama bone ne post wo but eya na nkrofo etai ko hopa na site ni din e de empressleague.com na Empress League the AC ewo ho ene se sebe nkrofo eko especially Ghana for just mpemu agro na wo mo the camera ko si omo so na trese wo mu twa na Empress League no is the first website to get those sex tips. Inti Ghana has a sex tips be breba a leaky ye so munya mo beka kitchen stew sex tip ne sa nyama ni na na edinkan eba Empress League anase nkrofo epesa sex tips na hwa na Empress League na wo moko it is the biggest sex tip or leaks website in Ghana na no mo post just sex tips sometimes mbabi wo moko posti ebia obabi wo ho na okosene ni naked pictures emma boy bi na de asemba oko Empress League kwa wubenya just say emba bebre wo mu leak pictures ni nyama na Empress League na yedeto na the owner of that website no aposi for achino na wo bia wonim Empress League bia nim say Empress League as far as I can remember has operated for more than 10 good years. Yes, Empress League has operated for more than 10 good years. And then aposi for Ache, the owner of that website. Na nepakono ni diankasa ede Anderson Ofosuhene Enim, aka Morio G. Meaning say Mario G or say Morio G or say the but you say the nickname no. Obi baby say the intia NHL. In the first place, say we run such a website in the country is unlawful. So that is the first thing we need to put out there. Ghana has say, so we'll run a website as our website, no, who post naked pictures and who post pornographic materials and in yama. In the first place, it is unlawful. Intia no krano emra etia. Now, the second reason I sound so a chin and say, you see, what the the website no, hon a book in Crawford, a din Crawford sika. Because the website, Metumiatro say monthly, it has 1 million views. Over millions of people visit the website every month. Because we share the new sex tape a leaky Ghana. We share the new naked pictures a leaky Ghana. Inti nkrofo koho. Inti yesi a brand na we run a website no there what year and say apostle for nekasa. There what year and say will be naked picture eba be dino ho. Now we slow say Mr. Me naked picture about once we be our who say be an naked picture was any man the ex-boy be now could di Empress League for her. Only bakuni slow because when you say Empress League it's a very big website. Omo leak ankrofo bebrebe hu nani megu ase nti omo contact Empress League ono abrantie no omo contact abrantie ne to meji omo ebia 500 cedis depending say pictures and we are able to meji 100 cedis 200 cedis sex tips to meji 500 cedis na waje sika ni wi a enya say wo tia ni sika ne say won delete the video and the picture no but waje sika ni wi a etiefo owi ana still wa post video no at Empress League ho. And as our Empress League on the crano, sometimes so wobema be person will do but near wobema ne cry to me say no. Yan fan say wababi and then wobema be they were in a relationship. Actress wobani wobema no. Obano embra once a relationship there obi to me send nude ni nyama nti obano ebia obema ne request for nude na obano send man no afei obano akwakoja obema no obema na ene ya nti mbema ni bi cry to me contact Empress League ho. Etro mo say me wo ba bi naked pictures mpese wo leak mame na mbema na send pictures na ma Empress League for na afei Empress League for leak nti obano so yesa wono bekwa ko hu Empress League for ne se mesremo egu manimu ase munyi pictures ni fi ho o se opese ye fi ho mkwan dia tia 200 cedis tia 300 cedis because ye the bando na publish ye eto site ho nti tia ni yenyi fi ho utia sika ni wi a na still wa ma pictures no eda sa site na say wafa unsika watwi unsika edi nti asem no ekoto police fo enim a police for sure say one more year investigation. A year the cyber crime unit of CID. A shall say one more year investigation. Police for year investigation no mu say say a branch ye site away be just say in any cars what they are to nye bini. Onu bu nkrofo eji omusika nkrofo sun posting nkrofo naked pictures and videos no. One they were the talkers at the turn dying at the CC dying nyama will enjoy life whilst other people are crying. Na police for your investigation na sika no to me jikra wo mobile money o contact na o say o fabra mobile money na waje o contact na o fafa ha na waje mimi de ne say waje sika na kra delete wo mo videos na waje sika ne wi a won delete na still videos no eguso wo because o pese waje eye onim se nkrofo be view into nkrofo view a e ho na sika kese no wo into ko delete a sika kese no wo nya. Police for a conducting investigation who say a branch no baby a wo pretty one no Osino in the eastern region. A hona na wo ye new operations nia police for the omo two from monitor no. E na pa wo mokoso ni mu. Na mokoso ni mu no ye de no akọ Accra Circuit Court. Charges are ye de abono child pornography. Child pornography because in Crawford we posted for all these years no ebimo below 18 ebimo below 16 into child pornography and no your charge are there bono publication of obscene material and no the asema American say Ghana has say no etiamra na mrana etiano publication of obscene material no Crawford can abroche any Ghana different too. Abroche no okwa ho a wo run sa porno industry ni we no they have license they are different from us wo no they have license to they we ni ko to say okwa abroche ankrofo posti porno to website ni nyamanti ade na Ghana ha say on to me posti ho ne de you know say na wo mo te no ye mo license mo yes operations no but Ghana ha say maza my president Ben or what's a kukudro ne say wo be penima sa pono for no ya mo license because ye in Ghana send ya Christosum e what's ro Ghana ha say president bi ane sa kukudro ne ti Ghana ha say sa de ne nya adwuma but people don't know asema ya sometimes make can say Ghana mra no e to de bia woni mo mra ne chill wi a ansa na be say say ade we ya wo bia eye no say etia mra yes mra na nche wa wo hu say nyama bi wo ho etia mra da. Until the branch and the year, no, it's yamra pa. If you are running a pornographic website in Ghana, it's yamra say enchewa. Ebi ana investigation na ho enche yebecho. But eyana nkrofo people don't actually know what is happening. And also one of the charges are the publication of obscene material and general provision of cybercrime and money laundering. It's the money laundering and so abono. Inti omo call court no a call court and the Accra Circuit Court no the court was presided over by Susanna Edufo judge ni din no a say womo essay womo investigation prosecution no eka said they are doing further investigation into the matter inti no womo ka judge ni say woma papa no yemfa no ento remand inti ye no out to remand in police custody this month here August 19th webesanso appear police for further investigation on the particular matter but assembly there and no another ho Empress Leak Obianim Empress Leak. It has been a website that has been around for a very 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 long time. Ebia na wunim ena maka no wo mo Ghana mebunu wo de ko SS na ko bisa nkrofo bebre Empress Leak na omo per sex tape leaked sex tape bi omo per leaked nude pictures say Empress Leak kwa na say obia eko na okon so yes obia wenya sika no untumi ndreme se wo kwa into nankasa so pen lawyer ekoye ati ase Into no the other hono no one say as far back as a year show and then it was a grofo a to the bia say bibi nyensi and grofo fi say wo mu free aposi for say as far back as January last year and a CID for no any information about or no our mo share just say wo mu investigation so over a year now o share wo mu gather evidence but ninna no asem no ba be court ye be hwese ne a abrante ne ja sorry ne lawyer ebe argue the matter in court ne ya hwe asem no bebi ebe kwa akodu intino de eda hono no etiefo montre mo adwen e wo eye comment box ni mu e man e da se